What did you learn from today?
So much. Actually, I've learned a lot, especially knowing when to buy and sell, which I didn't know before.
Ambush, yung maganda yung mga ambush eh. Hello. Maganda yung mga ambush. Name?
My name is Regine Chanek.
From where?
From Davao City.
Davao City. What do you do?
Government employee.
What government employee? NBI?
Actually,
CIA?
sa DSWD.
DSWD. Okay, so how long have you been investing in stocks?
4 years. 4 years.
4 years.
Pero wala pong ano, parang
mukhang malaki pinagdadaanan mo. Sige, okay.
Hindi, parang every month naguhulog lang. So parang walang idea kung how to select and buy stocks. Pero thanks kay Sir Marvin, parang may direction na po yung...
Okay, grabe. Hindi ko siya sinabing sabihin, pero anyways. So you're doing peso cost 4 years. How was it naman? Good stocks, bad stocks, making money, losing money?
Merong making money, meron ding losing money, as in ganun.
How did you select those stocks though? Ano yung mga bakit mo siya pinili?
Actually, may sinusundan akong guide.
Okay. Oh,
pero,
okay.
Iba din kasi yung feeling na yung may sinusundan kang guide versus yung ikaw mismo ang pipili with sound judgment.
So, at that time, parang walang sound judgment? May sound judgment?
Wala. Parang based on recommendations lang.
So, pero how did you, so ngayon, what do you plan? Do you still plan to invest? Do you plan to trade? What do you want to do?
I plan to continue investing and trading. Trading po. Kasi hindi ko ginagawa yung trading dati.
Pero what did you realize? Is trading hard, difficult, madali rin siya maintindihan, mahirap siya?
Madali pala siya. Kasi dati akala ko mahirap talaga. Parang kung papasok ka sa trading, parang malaki talaga yung risk na mawawalan ka ng pera. Pero there's always the risk, but you have to take calculated risk.
Based on what we talked about, what's your favorite indicator, oscillator, parameter?
Parabolic SAR.
Parabolic SAR, bakit? What do you like about parabolic SAR na wala sa iba?
Well, ano siya, parang, alam mo, may signal na parang ito, parang it's time to sell, it's time to buy.
Okay. Pero ano matutulong niya sa trading mo ngayon? Or at least sa paggamit mo ng pera, how can it help you?
Parang may peace of mind na, okay, it's time to sell, it's time to buy.
Okay. When you were investing also before, ano yung biggest loss mo ever?
Ano sasabihin ko yung company?
Kayo, ikaw, wala ka if you want. It's up to you,
Ano yung amount? Actually, kung sa amount...
Percentage na lang.
Hindi ko masabi yung percent, pero 4 digits. 4 digits ang nawala.
Percentage? Up to 100% lang. Hindi, 1% lang. Percentage lang.
8 or 7.
Percent?
Yes, 8 or 7. Kung based on...
So not so big lang. 8% lang.
Pero
8%?
Masakit siya.
Okay.
Masakit siya.
Pero nag-cut ka or ipit pa rin ng matagal?
Nag-cut ako after a long time. Pero medyo malaki.
So your biggest loss was 8%?
Based on sa ma-remember.
Okay. So nag-cut ka?
Yes.
Tapos nung nag-cut ka, linipat mo yung stock mo or hindi naman?
Nilipat ko yung stock ko. Actually, hindi ko siya fully na-cut kasi parang may limitation sa board dati. So, hindi ko na-pull out lahat. Pero kung ano yung na-pull out ko, nilipat ko. And pula pa rin, syempre.
Oh, pero ngayon, pula, down. Mag-invest ka pa rin ba sa stocks kahit? Bakit? Bakit mag-invest sa stocks?
Hopeful. I'm still hopeful for the stocks.
Pero what do you plan to use? Why do you want to invest in the stock market? What's the reason why you want to go to the market?
Actually, gusto ko lang na parang nanghihinay ako sa pera ko na nakatambay lang sa ATM account ko, walang ginagawa. And yung feeling na parang siyang tubig ko sa kamay. Parang dumadaloy lang. And I think mas productive yung...
Parang ano yun parang yung pera ko may asawa ko ngayon, dumadaloy na lang sa akin, nasa kanya na lahat. Oh, okay, so you want it na...
I want it to be working.
You want it to be working for you. How old are you?
26.
26. Galing, 26. When do you plan to parang, meron ka ba target na pag na-hit mo to, you will focus more on stocks and business na lang? What's your plan?
Maybe 5 million.
5 million?
5 million.
Oh, malapit na guys, grabe. Ano na lang, mga 200,000 na lang, nandun na siya. So there, any encouragement for people from Davao? So, oy, lapit ka dito. Any encouragement for people from Davao that haven't invested yet?
kung natatakot po kayo mag-invest, you should, try nyo po magbasa ng mga books and manood po ng mga videos online. And if possible, attend po ng mga seminars ni katulad kay Sir Marvin.
Okay, nag-plug talaga tayo. Okay. Yeah. Yun, so, name.
Jake Manero.
Jake Manero. Super yaman ba niya?
Mukhang mayaman.
Mukhang mayaman lang.
Okay. What did you learn from today?
So much. Actually, I've learned a lot, especially knowing when to buy and sell, which I didn't know before.
How long have you been investing in the market?
1 year.
1 year. Okay,
Yeah.
tapos?
Then I do not touch, just buy. I don't even know if it's a good time to buy or a good time to sell. I just buy.
Did you lose money in stocks?
Yes, but
Largest percent?
Hindi na maalala.
I don't know.
I don't know. Binaw na sa kalimot.
Di pa. I just forgot.
So ngayon, knowing the technicals, will you sell or hold that?
I will have to review all of my stocks first, and
Okay.
then from there, I will determine if I should sell or hold or buy more.
Galing. Last na lang, ano na lang? Any recommendation for Filipinos na hindi pa or at least mga taga, saan ka nakalimutan ko? North Cotabato.
Yeah.
So Davao, North Cotabato. And she said, for Davao, study. Ikaw, what can you tell people who have not studied yet? Tingin nila, probably complicated yung stock market. What can you tell them?
Buy Marvin Garmo's books.
May plug pa, hindi. Ano pa?
Hindi siya binayaran para doon.
Bukod doon.
Totoo. Tsaka just invest now. Invest. You'll never know more if you don't invest.
Okay, so that's it. So we have a person in the academic field. We have someone from government DSWD who's investing in the stock market. So I want to see this more people na hindi lang ako kasi puro ako yung nasa interview. Puro ako. It's nice to see more people who are not really into stocks, making money in the stock market. Ito, I'll make it interesting. May question ka para sa akin. Kahit anong question na gusto mo tanong?
Teka, parang ambush yun. Bakit? Why do you do this?
Okay.
Why do you do
Sinabi ko na kanina yun. Hindi, okay lang. O sige, okay.
Yes, sir.
O sige, sasagutin ko muna yun habang nag-isip ka talaga ng real answer. Hindi, it's just funny. I like to see more Filipinos na yun yung look in your faces na parang you're enjoying investing, na pwede pala siyang gawin, na you can make money off of it. Hindi nababayaran yun eh. Plus, if to see you earn more, na from your current situation, you do better, you earn more, and dahil sa inyo, mga pamilya nyo mag-invest na rin. Ako, para sa akin that will create a lasting impact eh. I'm in it also to change the narrative na Filipinos can invest eh. Do you have your question now?
Yes.
Okay, yun.
So, how do you handle yung mga bashers na siyempre may bashers ka naman siguro parang hindi niya niniwala sa mga perspectives mo in investing or yung sa mga tinuturo mo.
Saan ba? Facebook or no?
I mean, I'm sure, hindi na siguro sa Facebook.
I don't know eh. I actually don't look. I have other things to do that are more important. So I think people who look into those things don't have other things to do. So it's not productive eh. I try to focus on things that are productive, and that's what's more important for me. Yun, I don't actually know eh. Kasi even in Facebook, I look active sa Facebook eh, yes?
Yes.
But what people don't know is this. I just post content. I don't consume.
Yes.
So, yun yung important para sa akin eh. If I spend more time consuming, I'm not creating. Suggestion ko for other people, if you spend so much time in Facebook, instead of just looking and reading, make content, build something that can help people. So, and yun din, you can't please everyone. Ganun talaga eh. The best basketball players, the best business people, there will always be people who won't agree with them. Pero, para sa akin, I've been doing this 10, 11 years ago, wala may kilala sa akin. Kahit wala may kilala sa akin pa rin ngayon, I'll still do it eh. It's just that, I guess, it just got amplified more. And you do things not because you want other people to notice you, but you do things because that's what you think your passion is, that's what your purpose is. And yun, sabi ko, kahit isa lang pumunta dito, pupunta pa rin ako kasi yun yung gusto kong gawin eh. So, dun. Did I answer your question?
Yes.
Okay, fine. Question.
Okay, my question is, was there a time during, when you were starting in the stock market, was there a time that you wanted to give up?
Ay, hindi. Syempre hindi. I didn't give up kasi when I was starting 21, 22, 23 years old ako, bata pa ako nun. So, I was always thinking, you know who wins here? The person who wins is the one who sees the end game eh. The stock market is for the long game. Yung perspective ko lang nun, 21 ako, 23 ako. Kung hawakan ko yung pera ko up until 60, mag-invest ako nun, that's 30 plus years. So meaning, I already know it's a number of math eh. I buy good companies, hold it for 30 years, assuming na maganda pa rin sila, they will grow eh. So, please remember, when I was starting out, hindi ako trader. When I was starting out, I was a big fan of Warren Buffett. That's why if you look at the portfolios we talked about, may investor portion dun eh. Diba? So, yung investor portion dun, I would just buy good companies, I would just buy them and hold them. Yun. So, hindi eh. Sobrang pera, may sweldo pa ako nun, nakatira pa ako sa bahay ng magulang ko nun. So, the worst thing that can happen kung mag-zero yun, may sweldo pa ako, may ipon pa ako, tapos nakatira pa ako sa bahay ng parents ko. Why will you lose hope? And sometimes, we're so caught up na sobrang nating concern na bumagsak yung stock natin. We forget that we have other assets, we have other investments that we're not grateful for what we have. So, para sa akin, if I fail, I make mistakes. Please remember, when you fail, you don't fall. You gain the experience. That's why when you fail, you always fail forward. You don't lose money, but you gain experience. And yung experience na yung magdadala sa'yo ng pera later. Yun. So that's it.
Yes.
One question each. Diba? Galing. So, I hope this video helps you trade well, trade strong, trade smart. From two guys from Davao and North Cotabato. Bye-bye, everyone.
Bye!